What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Airtable to your stack with Zapier. So of course the first thing you need to do, you need to go over to Zapier and then locate Create Zap. Once you click on this, you have two options, the trigger and the action. Now for the trigger, we'll be selecting Airtable. So after selecting Airtable among the apps, you will also select a trigger event. So we're going to say new record. So after searching for new record and selecting new record, you're also going to go to the account options. And this is basically to say, get this information from this Airtable account. So we're going to choose our Airtable account, which is this. And then once you're done, you're going to click on continue to get to the configure tab. Once you select that, you're also going to select the base. The base will be leads for autumn season. And that is a sheet we have on Airtable. We're also going to select table 1 for the table and then click continue. Now the next tab under the trigger section is to test it out. So of course it says we found records in your Airtable account. We will load 3 of the most recent records that have not appeared recently. So that's great. So once this is done, we're done with the trigger and we're going to go over to the action. Now under the action, you have setup, configure and test as well. So for the app, we're going to select Google Sheets, and the goal here is to move what we have on Airtable in case there is a new information using Zapier to move that information in Airtable over to Google Sheets. Basically, we want to create a CSV by creating data on Google Sheets. So we're going to go over to the app, select Google Sheets, then select the action event, which is to create a spreadsheet row. So once you click on this action event, you're going to search for create spreadsheet row. And then you're also going to select the account. Once you click on it, it will take you to a pop-up where you'll be choosing your Google account or any account you're using for your Google Sheets. Of course, once that's done, you're going to click on continue and it will take you to the configure page. Under the configure tab, you're going to choose some options such as the drive, which we have here at Google Drive, and the spreadsheet. We have a spreadsheet already in our Google Drive, Happy Day Tours, Form A. And then you have the worksheet. We'll be choosing sheet 1. That's what's available for now. So we're going to click on continue. Then of course you can go and test the step and publish this. Now once everything is done, you will see the green tick in the trigger and in the action sections, and Zapier will be ready to listen to the activities on your Airtable and send them to your Google Sheets. So this is how to connect Airtable to your stack with Zapier.